Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Premiere Pro series, and in this video we are going to take a look into the slip and slide tools. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, we have two tools right here, which are slip and slide tool. So first of all, we will learn about the slide tool. Just select that tool, and as you guys can see, I've already imported 3 videos in the timeline. And what slide tool does is it allows us to move our video left or right, and at the same time our tool is streaming our first clip and it is extending some data from our last clip as well. And you can see our tool had trimmed our first clip and also it has extended our last clip at the same time. It's only possible when both videos are expandable, and then you can move your clip to right or left according to your needs. Now let's move to the slip tool, and before using these tools, make sure that your videos are expandable. Now what slip tool does it slips our video from inside that specific clip, and time duration will remain the same. Basically, this tool helps us to slip our specific video very easily just by dragging left or right. I know that these tools are a little bit hard to understand, and I want you to use these tools to get the idea of what these tools are doing. If you try these tools, then I'm sure you will get to know what the uses of these tools are. So that's it for this video. I hope this video will help you in your future days, and also hit that subscribe button to get the instant notification of our new releases. So this is Tricky for you, and signing out.